It's our anniversary and yes, this is for us. Happy anniversary to us. Thank you, Saranj. So guys, we are here for 3 days and I'm sure it'll be a lot of fun. So yeah, stay tuned for more. So let's have some lunch now.
So this is your butter chicken. Alright.
Thank you. So yeah guys, now we are done with our lunch and let's head for the tour now. So guys, I'll show you the hotel, this property. We haven't explored as yet, so yeah, let's do it together. So now we are back in a room and oh, see what they've given us. Oh, look at this, how sweet. Hey guys, so after the tour we came back to our room and we were like super tired and we wanted to spend some private time, which I didn't want to vlog. So yeah, we were just relaxing and chilling in our room. But now we just took a shower and we're all ready and we are just going to, I guess we're not going to go outside anywhere. We are going to enjoy the property today. So we are going to the Woo bar and yeah, we'll have a few drinks there and spend our anniversary. Hey guys, so we are done chilling at the Woo bar now and now I think it's not that late, it's just 11:30, so we thought we'll just go out somewhere. So we are heading to this place called Soro for dinner. Let's see how that place is. Hi guys, good morning. So it's day 4 today, and now we are sitting by the pool. Their pool area is called Vet, and we just had breakfast and then we changed, and now we are going to get in the pool. So that's it guys, we had a couple of cocktails here and we have been sitting here for quite some time now. It's 3 p.m. and we're super hungry, so we are going to head to some other place for lunch, and we also want to go to some other place for like a good sunset view. So I think we have this olive bar and kitchen on our list, so yeah, let's see. Guys, I can't tell you what I just saw. Salman Khan, yes, I'm not kidding. Like, he just went to the gym area, and sadly, like, I was in the pool that time and he passed from like just in front of our eyes. I said hi to him, but now his bodyguards are pretty strict and they're not allowing us to go inside the gym. And I think I really want to wait here because I love Salman Khan. So yeah, let's see if I get a glimpse of him. So now we'll have some late lunch here. It's 5 o'clock. But we can see the sundowner here. Olive bar and kitchen. A lot of people recommended this burger place to us at Anjuna, and we thought we'll give it a try. So we ordered this banana peanut butter shake. Let's try how this is.
Chicken bab.
Thank you. came back to our hotel
Your destination
now.
is on the left.
So we thought we'll just take a walk around in our hotel because we are like so full. Morning. So we just had a breakfast and we got ready, and now we are going to head to this beach called Arambol and Ashwim, and we're going to explore this new beach because we are done seeing this area now. So yeah, we are going to drive on our own and let's explore the other side of Goa. So we have reached the beach, guys, and this is the Arambol beach. So this is the last beach here in Goa, and yeah, I'll show you around.
Как дела? Как тебя зовут? Меня зовут Анита. Я вообще очень красота неземная. Это Барби.
Oh my god. Wow. It's really sad that it's our last day. We really don't want to leave. Like, it's been 5 days and still we are not over this place. And yeah, if you guys want to come and have your quiet peace time, so definitely visit during the off season. Probably during this time because like by the end of May it gets very slow here. It's like there's hardly anything. But then starting of September the places starts opening up, so yeah, it's good. Like, it isn't crowded, you get the day beds. And oh yeah, luckily since it was monsoon season, we thought it would be raining here, but it's been 5 days and it hasn't rained a bit. Like, it was just drizzling, but then that's all. So we are beach hopping now, and now we are going to Ashram Beach for a nice sunset view. We finally found one place. This is the W Wisteria Cafe here. This Riva Beach Resort, and the best part about this resort is there's like a river here, and then up ahead is the beach area. So now we're going to the beach area. Let's go. So we just freshened up and now we are heading for dinner at their Pan-Asian restaurant, which is called Spice Traders. So yeah, let's go. Hey guys, so our 5 days are finally over and now we are heading to the airport and then we are going to go back to Chandigarh. So that's all from our vacation and hope you guys enjoyed the video. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and I'll see you next time. Bye.